Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to use Adobe Spark. So if you do a simple Google search, it'll take you right to it. You just click on it. And I'm already logged in, but typically it'll take you to a login page where you can log into your account or create a new one. It does require an email, so you should get your parents or your students' parents' permission before using it with your younger kids. So to start, you click on the plus sign. And they have a whole bunch of free templates that you can use because this is a free website. You can pay for an upgraded version, but I think the free one works just fine. You can do things with education, you can make posters, newsletters, flyers, things for your business, even stuff for social media. So let's see. We'll do a video, lesson plan video. So you just start with something, I don't know what we'll do, we'll just do a dogs. You can make it into a lesson, I guess. And you can choose what you want. Just click the arrows at the bottom here. We'll do teach a lesson, because that's what we'll be doing. Wait for it to load. Okay, and then it shows a video, but we're not going to watch it because that's what this tutorial that I'm giving you is for. So to start, this is the title page. So if you add a video, you have to use one from your computer. They don't have any stock ones. You can make text, you can type whatever you want, like I said, dogs. There it is. You can put pictures in. The plus button up in the corner, you hit photo. You can upload one from your computer if you have a picture of your own dog, or you can find the free ones on Adobe Spark. So we type in dogs, and they have a whole bunch, pretty much anything that you can think of they'll have. So it comes up with a bunch of cute little puppies over here. It's not loading all the way. Okay. So there's usually more, I don't know why they're not all loading, but we'll just click on this guy. And there he is. And if you click on the photo, the edit button, you can zoom out. So he's not so close, but then you get the border cut off, or you can zoom in so you get his just his nose or whatever you want. So we can do full screen, we can do split screen where the picture is on one side and the words on the other. You can make it a caption. Just a whole bunch of stuff. So once we do that, you can move to the next one. You do the same exact thing. You could just put another picture of a dog in here with this guy licking his nose. Yep. You can add audio too if you want. Allow it to use your microphone. Record. Press and hold here. Oh, isn't he a cute puppy? So then you have that there. And when you hit the play button, once your video is finished, it'll record your audio. You can change the duration of your slide too, which that's just how long my narration was. But on this one, here we'll go back to the title page, you can have it all the way from 1 second to 30 seconds of how long it would be up. So I think 4 seconds would be good. And on each template, it has what you should put on, a suggestion of what you should put on. It doesn't mean that you have to follow it. So again, you just do the same thing. So that's how we do that. You can change the theme, change the color of it, blue, pink, and it also changes the font of the text too, like this one. So then you type on it, you can see that the font is different, dogs, like that. And then you can resize your stuff. You can make it widescreen or square. And you can see how it changed all the slides, so they all match. They're all squares now. Now they're all widescreen. And once you've finished putting all your stuff in your presentation, you can change the music. So they have selected Across the Bridge. You can preview the song. whichever one you wanted to. So that's just the basics of what you would do. Then I'll go back to my homepage and show you some stuff that I already have. You can see I've practiced a little bit. So here's a lesson video that I created using what I just showed you. So look at this is a science lesson that I have created using Adobe Spark. So that's one where you could integrate it into the classroom. You could use it to make a digital website for your parents to interact with to stay up to date in the classroom. The students could create a story about a story that they read. You need to watch that. Or they can make a collage. So this is my video. You can see here all my slides at the bottom. Scroll. So to preview, I'll just click the preview button. There it goes. So I searched classroom picture and that's what came up in the background. So all these pictures are from Adobe Spark. None of them are my own. I added the text and the music. I chose the music from Adobe Spark. And I just searched for the biomes. I just searched a picture of the biome and that's what came up. So you can see it goes through the different ones. The ISTE standards, I think this goes with the digital citizen because they're learning how to work in the digital world, which will be very beneficial for the students today because that's what they'll be growing up in. Also the knowledge constructor because students are constructing their own artifacts about what they already have learned. Well, then they would be creating a presentation using Adobe Spark to teach their classes about a biome that they chose. And then at the end, it puts all the pictures that I used and who the credit goes to. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is Adobe Spark in a nutshell.